So the first thing you want to do is grab your bug off, because there is a lot of freaking mosquitoes out here.
The hip hip hopper, you don't stop. Rock it out, baby, rubber to the boogity bang bang, the boogie to the boogity beat. Now what you hear is not a test. I'm rapping to the beat, and me, the groove, and my friends are gonna try to move your feet. You see, I am Wonder Mike, and I like to say hello. Up to the black, to the white, the red, and the brown, the purple, and yellow. But first, I gotta bang bang the boogie to the boogie. Say up jump the boogie to the bang bang boogie. Let's rock. You don't.
Just like that, you knock it out, you get it done. Doesn't matter what it is. Okay, that's one of the farmers, but that's how you do it, baby. You get it in there, refrigerator, easy peasy. You don't let it take care of you, you take care of it.